Hey there, Wellness Whiz kids. Did you know some foods are so powerful they're called superfoods? Today we'll introduce you to these superstars of nutrition, explain why they're amazing for your health, and share fun ways to add them to your meals. Ready to power up with superfoods? Let's go! Get creative and find new ways to incorporate these tiny but mighty berries into your diet. Your body and brain will thank you. Okay, next up, we've got spinach. You know, the leafy green stuff that Popeye eats to get super strong. Well, it turns out Popeye was onto something. Spinach is like the incredible Hulk of vegetables. It's packed with iron. Iron is super important because it helps carry oxygen throughout your body. And oxygen is what gives you energy to play all day long. So if you want to be able to run, jump, dance, and play without getting tired, you gotta get your iron on. Now, I know what you're thinking. Spinach? That green stuff? But trust me, it's not as scary as it looks. And the best part is, you can sneak it into so many different dishes without even tasting it. One of my favorite ways to eat spinach is in a smoothie. Yep, you heard that right. Just toss a handful of spinach into your blender with some fruits and yogurt, and you won't even know it's there. The smoothie will turn a beautiful bright green, but I promise it'll still taste super yummy. Spinach is rich in iron, which helps carry oxygen in your blood and gives you energy. Fun idea. Add spinach to a smoothie, it'll turn green, but you won't even taste it. Chapter 3. Salmon, dive into brain power. Alright, let's talk about salmon. This fish isn't just tasty, it's like a brain-boosting superhero. It's full of these things called omega-3 fatty acids, which are super important for keeping your brain healthy and happy. Think of omega-3s like brain food. They help improve your memory, focus, and even your mood. So if you want to ace those tests, be the life of the party, and just feel awesome all around, make sure you're getting enough omega-3s. Now, I know some people think fish is kind of smelly, but trust me, salmon is different. It has a mild, buttery flavor that's actually really yummy. Plus, there are so many different ways to eat it. One of my favorite ways to eat salmon is as salmon patties. They're like little mini burgers, but made with healthy salmon instead of beef. You can bake them, grill them, or even pan fry them. Serve them up with some sweet potato fries and you've got yourself a super delicious and nutritious meal. Salmon is a brain-boosting fish full of omega-3 fatty acids. Fun idea. Make salmon patties or add flaked salmon to tacos for a yummy dinner. Chapter 4. Nuts and seeds, small packages, big power. Next up, we're talking about nuts and seeds. These tiny powerhouses are often overlooked, but they pack a serious punch when it comes to nutrition and health benefits. These little guys might be small, but they are mighty. Each type of nut and seed brings its own unique set of nutrients to the table, making them a versatile addition to any diet. They're packed with healthy fats, protein, fiber, and a whole bunch of vitamins and minerals. For instance, almonds are rich in vitamin E, walnuts are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, and chia seeds are a great source of calcium and antioxidants. They're like the ultimate snack food. Not only are they delicious, but they also provide a quick energy boost, making them perfect for busy days or active lifestyles. One of the best things about nuts and seeds is that they keep you feeling full and satisfied for longer. This is because they are high in fiber and protein, which help to curb hunger and prevent overeating. So if you're prone to those mid-morning or afternoon munchies, a handful of nuts or seeds can help tide you over until your next meal. Plus, they're super easy to pack and take with you wherever you go. And the best part? There are so many different types of nuts and seeds to choose from. Whether you prefer the crunch of almonds, the buttery texture of cashews, or the tiny but mighty chia seeds, there's something for everyone. You've got your almonds, walnuts, cashews, pecans, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, chia seeds, flax seeds. The list goes on and on. Each one has its own unique flavor and nutritional profile, so don't be afraid to mix and match to find your favorites. One of my favorite ways to eat nuts and seeds is in a trail mix. It's a fun and easy way to combine different flavors and textures, and it's perfect for on-the-go snacking. It's super easy to make your own. You can customize it to your liking and include all your favorite ingredients. Just grab a big bowl and toss in your favorite nuts, seeds, dried fruits, and maybe even a few chocolate chips if you're feeling extra. You can also add some spices like cinnamon or a pinch of salt to enhance the flavors. Trail mix is the perfect snack to take on the go, whether you're hiking, biking, or just running errands with your parents. It's portable, non-perishable, and provides a balanced mix of nutrients to keep you energized throughout the day. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and sunflower seeds are full of healthy fats and protein. These nutrients are essential for maintaining good health, supporting brain function, and keeping your heart healthy. Fun idea. Mix them into a homemade trail mix for a quick snack. You can even get creative and add some dried coconut flakes, pretzels, or granola for an extra crunch. The possibilities are endless. Chapter 5. Sweet potatoes, the sweetest way to healthy. Last but not least, let's talk about sweet potatoes. These vibrant orange tubers are not just a treat for your taste buds, but they also pack a powerful punch of nutrition. Whether you're a fan of their natural sweetness or their versatility in recipes, sweet potatoes are a fantastic addition to any meal. These orange veggies are not only delicious, but they're also super good for you. Imagine biting into a sweet, creamy, and slightly earthy flavor that not only satisfies your cravings, but also nourishes your body. Sweet potatoes are a delightful way to enjoy a healthy diet. They're packed with vitamin A, which is super important for healthy eyes, skin, and immune system. Vitamin A is a crucial nutrient that supports your vision, helps maintain healthy skin, and boosts your immune system to keep you feeling your best. Think of vitamin A like a superhero that protects your body from getting sick. Just like a superhero swoops in to save the day, vitamin A works tirelessly to keep your body in top shape, defending against illnesses and infections. It helps keep your skin clear and glowing, your eyes bright and sparkly, and your immune system strong and ready to fight off any nasty germs that come your way. With regular consumption of sweet potatoes, you can enjoy a radiant complexion, sharp vision, and a robust immune system. Now, I know some people think sweet potatoes are only for Thanksgiving, but that's so not true. While they are a staple at holiday feasts, sweet potatoes can be enjoyed in countless ways throughout the year. You can enjoy sweet potatoes all year round. Whether it's summer, winter, spring, or fall, sweet potatoes are always in season and ready to be part of your meals. They're super versatile and can be baked, mashed, roasted, or even spiralized into noodles. You can get creative in the kitchen with sweet potatoes, making everything from comforting mashed sweet potatoes to crispy roasted wedges, or even fun spiralized noodles. One of my favorite ways to eat sweet potatoes is as sweet potato fries. These fries are a healthier alternative to regular fries and are just as satisfying. They're like regular fries, but way healthier and way more delicious. The natural sweetness of the potatoes combined with a crispy exterior makes them a hit with both kids and adults. Just cut a sweet potato into fry shapes, toss them with a little olive oil and your favorite seasonings, and bake them in the oven until they're crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. It's a simple and fun recipe that you can make with your family. They're the perfect healthy snack or side dish. Whether you're looking for a quick snack or a tasty side to complement your meal, sweet potato fries are a fantastic choice. These orange veggies are packed with vitamin A, which is great for your eyes and skin. Including sweet potatoes in your diet can help you achieve a glowing complexion and maintain good vision. Fun idea. Make sweet potato fries for a fun and healthy snack. Get the whole family involved in the kitchen and enjoy the process of making and eating this delicious treat together. Thanks for learning about superfoods with us today, Wellness Whiz Kids. Which superfood will you try this week? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more healthy tips and fun recipes. See you next time. Bye!